This big white fish must weigh about 7 or 8 gin. Early in the morning, we've caught so many small fish. And many of them are ornamental fish. However, the meat of this kind of fish is also very delicious. Xiaoli, grill these few and make them today's breakfast.
Brothers, we need to arrange the remaining small fish neatly, then sprinkle sea salt on them and dry them into fish jerky.
Xiaoli, is the fish roasted? Not yet! Brothers, the fish isn't ready yet. Let's handle the leftover egg yolks from yesterday to use as bait for today's big catch. This is too smelly. Mingze, hey, it's grilled. Hey, Xiaoli, today this fish is grilled nicely. Is the way to go. Xiaoli, the time is just about right. Let's take this duck head to bait the nest. It will take some time for the bait to attract fish, so let's go diving to a further spot first. This time, our diving location isn't very deep. Due to the murky seawater, we can only search for food along the shoreline between the cracks of the rocks. Just as we got into the water, I was tricked by a fake conch. Luckily, not far away, we caught a fairly large slipper lobster. After we secured the slipper lobster, we noticed a sea snail covered in barnacles near our feet. Just then, in the crevice of the rocks, we discovered a super large stone crab. Since I couldn't use the spear gun, I had to catch it by hand. After securing the crab, I noticed a large eel slipping into the crack ahead. Ah, wow, guys, look, such a big fish, see? Let's go. I'll take it back, release it. Guys, today's catch is not bad. There's a big stone crab, a slipper lobster, and a small sea snail. But the main catch today is this big eel. It should weigh about 6 or 7 pounds. Let's take it back. Brothers, I have lit the fire. Now let's grill all this seafood. Here's also a slipper lobster. Fire crackling. There's also a sea snail here. Hey, Xiaoli. After we finish eating, clean this eel, then rub it with sea salt and hang it on the fish rod to be ready for later use. Brothers, our seafood is grilled now. Let's start now. Mingze, can we eat this? Let's grill the eel instead. We'll make do with some of this for now. There are still dried fish up there. We'll save the eel for curing and eat it later. Wow, it's all yellow. This bite is so satisfying! Xiaoli, it's getting dark soon. Finish eating and quickly clean up the fish plate.